Welcome back, Hot Wheel Collection Diecast. This is another episode of Cripps Garage. Today we're looking at collector numbers from number 1 to number 8 and their variations. This is number 1. The old number 5 came out in 1981. It came out in two styles. This one here with, if you notice right there by where the engine would be, there was no louvers. And then it came also with louvers, both Hong Kong base. And then later on in 1982, they came with the Malaysian base, and those were on a blue card with the number 1 on it. These came in the early 80s where there was numbers on the back. It was like a list of numbers on the back of the card. So there's old number 5 that ended up being number 1. And number 2 is 1989. This is the black. I believe this is the Solar X. Has a opening bonnet, yellow tinted windows, ultra hot wheels. See, that was actually 1984 is when that Solar X was released. And here's it again. Now this came out with unpainted and metallic paint, which I think that's what these two are here, but you can't tell. I can't tell which ones. I guess the one on the left is the unpainted and the one on the right is the metallic, or vice versa. But they both have Malaysia bases, or at least one does, I think. Let's see. Yeah. No. So this is the Hong Kong base, which should be the non-painted, and this is the Malaysia base, which is supposed to be the metallic. Sorry about that. So yeah, lots of variations in these collector number cars from the 90s, if you're into those. Up next is the Caterpillar from 1980 with the Hong Kong base. I don't have. I do have the 1982 Malaysia base, which is this one. And then I have, so this one has the Hobie Cat logo there and the metal base. And then in 1990, they removed the cat logo and it has a plastic base. So you can see there's that variation. And we have kind of a fantasy car, the XT3. This came out in 1985. In black. In 1989, came out in lavender, so this is the number 4 in the collector series. These are 2 different shades of purple, so you got a color variation. And then 1990, they released it with the black pin line around the flames. So, different Tampa variation. And number 5 would have been the Good Humor. It came out like this, but had black wall wheels on it. This one is from 1996. There's also a variation in the decals where they took off a couple of these things. Can't remember what those were. Then number 6 is the from 1987, the Blazer 4x4. And these are super cool because they have opening doors. So this one's from 1987, mint condition, blister pool. And then this one came out in 1991. It's got tan interior. And in 1984, you got the Troop Convoy, number 7. Here's a variation. So there's that. Number 8, 1986 came out with the Vampra Ultra Hot Wheels. This is the Hong Kong base. We also have the Malaysia base. Both came out in 1986. And I believe it is the since 68th, 40th. I believe no. I think this one came from 2008 from a 5-pack, and then this one came from the 2007 since 68 40th anniversary. That kind of satin purple. So that is it for first batch of collector numbers. I think I told you in an earlier video that I was weeding through them, gonna pick out my set doubles and triples, tighten it up, and maybe package it. Not sure yet, but still a long ways away. So anyways, happy Sunday, happy hunting, take care.